Welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to get clients on LinkedIn. So for this, firstly, we need to search for linkedin.com and sign in to your account. After signing in, you need to click on your profile and go to view profile. Here, make sure that you added all your work. You need to enhance your profile. You need to add profile section. Then you need to add your contact information. Also that you need to enable your featured skills. Then you need to add your activities. Then you need to add your experiences here, and then you need to enter your skills, and then you need to enter interest in the following companies. After that, you need to go to home, and here in job section you can search by specific skill. If I search for data entry specialist, so there you will get different jobs related to this. Then here you need to take a screenshot and then you can directly message them, or you can click on easy apply, and here you need to enter your mobile number and then click on next. Again, you need to upload the resume. Click on next, and here you need to enter the additional questions and then click on review, and in this way you can apply for jobs, and if they found you eligible for this job, so they will hire you. In this way you can get clients on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.